chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel Việt Mông Cooking. Today I will transform the simple cup of noodle to fancy. So we will need some shrimp. We will need some cucumber, lettuce, ginger, no, not ginger, sorry, garlic, tomato, carrot, some cilantro and green onion. And also we need some egg if you like to. If you love the seasoning, you can cook with it. But if you want to make your own chicken broth, you can make 1.5 cup water with 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. So, and then this one you need to give it hot water and drain it up. Okay, now we start. I will turn on. And then you can stir fry the shrimp first. Let me see. You have to put some oil, just a little. I will use like 8 or 10 shrimp. You cook about 1 or 2 minutes. When you see the shrimp turn pink, or you can use any meat you want if you're allergic with seafood. You can eat with egg and any kind of vegetable you want, like napa, bok choy, cabbage, anything. So, but today we did use this vegetable. I did put some seasoning for the shrimp. I know sometimes you guys out there don't have much time, like busy with work, school, whatever, and then just one cup of noodle. But I mean, like if you have a little time for yourself, just try this way, so you have a good fancy noodle ready in 20 minutes. It smells really good. That's the shrimp. I see it until light pink. You don't want overcook the shrimp. Okay, let me get the shrimp out. The shrimp then with the pink, and maybe have some hot water and put in here to drain out the seasoning. And then I will saute tomato, garlic, and carrot. Now we start. This way make the chicken broth a beautiful color and taste juicy. And then I will put some cucumber. across. Like the color, beautiful, and the taste really good too. I have to boil. You boil when the soup boil. You put the noodle inside, and then you put the egg inside, and then that's it. So easy. Okay, let's see. Well, when I think middle school, usually after school I come home if my mom go work or my dad not home. I do by myself. I love to cook this way because my mom said if I just eat 1 cup of noodle, she said nothing in there good for you. And I said why the taste good and easy and fat, and she said no, I think you should make this way, and then she taught me, and we always have like mung bean, chai, basil, grow behind backyard. Um, I just this my child are more like farmer. We have like the garden, have a chicken walk around. We have kitchen outside the house too, and yeah, they even then we have the well. So if you need the water, you have to walk out there to get the water. Mm, we and I, I have my friend who have um, a pig really big, and he ride to school. That's so crazy, but that's where I grow. Yeah, I have some a story like when I tell my friends that they think like a crazy because who ride the Uto to school and who have experience to have like the kitchen outside the house. Okay, my soup boil. Okay, I put some noodle. I already ran out the seasoning. Put the noodle inside. This is the easy and good flavor. Okay, I will put some egg inside. We are almost done. You will love it. And you can eat with a hoisin sauce or a sriracha. I cook the noodle a little bit. If you want the egg well done, just cook a little, but take the noodle out. But if you just want a medium, where you can get out together with the noodle. Okay, let me see. And then to get the bowl, I think of the noodle ready. The noodle ready. Maybe just the noodle ready. I cook the egg a little bit more. Egg more than two. Try this way, let me know. This is easy way to make the noodle. You don't need to wait all day long for the broth. Now put the shrimp inside. Make hot a little bit and then okay. I should put on here. So you does it look pretty? This is amazing. This is amazing. You will love it. And I have this one on top of it. And I have some this one. I can't wait. I wish you guys hear and enjoy with me. I will share. I'm not eating alone. Okay. Oops. Look. So, hope you will make it and show me the picture. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you. See you next time. We sit down.